What's up, guys? My name is Danny Fanibo, and I am right here with my lovely mom. My mom's birthday was just the other day. What, you don't want me to tell everyone your birthday?
Go ahead.
She's not 80 years old, as I said before.
I'm 25.
She's 25 going on 100. So anyways, we're gonna make a smoothie. She's been asking me to make a smoothie. And I'm gonna try to keep the smoothie as simple as possible for her so that way she gets the basics down. For me personally, I think the key to a smoothie is consistency. So you don't wanna make it too watery, so be mindful of what you're putting in, and then as your base, you wanna put in like some sort of liquid, and we'll get to that in a few. So what we have here is we have 2 kiwis, we have 2 bananas. So we have 10 strawberries, but they still have the little leafy things that we're gonna have to get rid of. And then we have, she wanted to put some pineapple. I really don't put pineapple, so it may taste different from what I'm used to.
Okay, do it and then we can do the pineapple.
We'll do the pineapple. So the first things first is we're gonna go ahead and are you gonna plug that in for me, please? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and scoop out the kiwi with the spoon, just makes it a lot easier. All right, so once you get the kiwi in there, that's the first step. You could put the ingredients any way that you want, but always put the liquid after. So next are the bananas. I like to put 2 bananas because I like the banana flavor, so that's probably gonna overpower. Are you okay with that?
No, I like banana.
All right, so that's done. Got the bananas. Next are the strawberries. So that's all done. So we're gonna go ahead and put the pineapple. Next thing is your base, which is your liquid. The base, the liquid, I like to use almond milk. So the almond milk, you gotta shake up. And then if we need to put in a little bit more, we put in a little bit more. So the next thing is you wanna get ice. All right, so I think that's good. Okay.
You closed it right?
We're gonna do a close-up shot of this real quick. So there's your ingredients inside of the blender.
Put a little bit in case we need to blend it more.
Does it taste good?
It tastes good. It's not sweet. It's not supposed to be real sweet,
Well,
right?
Let me see.
It's not supposed to be real sweet. I like sweet. It's not sweet.
This is actually really good. All right,
good.
well, there you have it. That is the smoothie. And
Cheers.
I'll put the recipe up on the website, veggiediary.com. So in the meantime, talk to you later, guys. Bye.
Okay, cheers. Cheers. Thank you.
All right.
And I'll pour me some more.